Caribbean girl, them pretty, pretty. European girl, them pretty, pretty. London girl, them pretty, pretty.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing a wig that I got from Amazon from the brand Alia Choos. It's funny I say that. This hair bonnet is actually from them as well. So thank you to them for that. I'm excited. This is a curly unit. So from my last video, I told y'all I was gonna do a curly unit. So I stuck to my word, you know. But really excited to try it. So I want to get right into this. So it comes in this bag. That's the brand. Let's see what you get. You get your dome caps, your wig caps, you get that. Like this. And you get a nice little storage bag. Really cute. And let's see. Okay. So I have not tried this unit on yet, so I don't know what it will look like, if it will need anything. And what I can tell you is the curl pattern on this is more of a wavy. Yeah, it's like a loose wavy, but like smaller waves. Kind of like a crimp. So I'm just going to zoom in here so you can see what the curl pattern looks like. This is very pretty. And I think this is about 28 inches, I think. But I'll leave more details in my description box on this wig. So let's just get into the deets. Okay, so it's not ear-to-ear lace front, but you do get a decent amount of lace. So this is definitely one of those hairstyles that is going to be easy to do quick slay. You already know how I like it, quick. So you have your lace here, and then as far as combs, you get 3 combs. So 1, 2 in the front, 3rd in the back, and then your bands in the back. And then let's talk about this part. Okay, so it looks like it's like a natural scalp kind of look. It's not all lace. It has something there, so like a little piece of something in there. But that looks pretty good so far. I'm just going to put on my wig cap. And let's see how it looks on and if it needs anything. I find that a lot of these wigs are like improving their qualities, just to make you not do as much. And I really love that. So I hope this one is one of them. Okay, I see you. I mean, it is not bad, guys. This is like a really cute, simple, get up and go look. Like, you don't even have to do too much. And I love that. So I am gonna cut the lace right now, and then so we'll see how this looks. Tuck behind the ear. One. Tuck behind the ear. Yes, 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 yes. I don't own too many curly units, so I'm happy to have this one welcomed into my collection. I mean, the most you would need to do maybe is add a little concealer on the part. If the part is a little too thin for you, I would tweeze it just a tad bit, but this works. Definitely an affordable, cute unit. If you want a little, like, it's giving me kind of like bundles kind of vibe. The look of it is giving me like a bundles kind of vibe, but not like a heavy, thick bundles. Just enough, and I like that. I really do. So, as you know, at the end, I'm gonna drop some pictures. I thank you all so much for watching my videos. Please do not forget to click that like and subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see y'all later.